Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this simple yet delicious chicken stir fry. It's super simple to make. It takes about 15 minutes and I promise you this is going to be one of your favorite dishes. So let's get to it. So first you want to prep all the ingredients. Here I have carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. I am going to slice this thinly. You can cut it any shape you like. I'm also going to slice some onions and some finger chili. And that'll be it for the vegetables. For the meat, I'm going to be using chicken thighs. And here I'm just trimming off the excess fat of the meat. You can also use chicken breast for this recipe, but bear in mind it's not going to be as juicy. After trimming off the fat, I will discard it, and next I'll cut the chicken into thin strips. And you want to try to cut this about the same size so you don't have big chunks, so the meat cooks evenly. After cutting, I'm going to slightly season with a little bit of chicken bouillon cube, which is chicken seasoning, and a little bit of garlic powder. I'll give this a good mix and just let it marinate for about 5 minutes while I prepare the sauce. For the sauce, I am going to combine soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, some Chinese cooking wine, a little bit of sugar, sesame oil, and water. And bear in mind that the sugar does not make the sauce sweet, it's just to balance the other ingredients, so please do not be afraid to add that. And all the ingredients used are going to be listed in the description box with the exact measurements, so be sure to check that out. And all of these can be bought at your local grocery store. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix cornstarch and water. This is going to act as the thickening agent for the sauce. If you don't have cornstarch, you can also use all-purpose flour or leave it out. So now to make the sauce, I've added a little bit of oil and I'm going to let that heat up, and then I'll add the chicken. I'll stir fry this for about 5 minutes until it is no longer pink. And I make sure my pan is on really high heat while doing this, so the chicken doesn't start steaming and releasing its juices. After about 5 minutes, I am now going to add some minced garlic. I'm also going to add the chopped peppers and onion. I'll stir fry this for about 1 minute. Next, I'm going to add in the carrots and the bell peppers, and I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes. If you do not like your carrots on the crunchy side, you can add it while stir frying the chicken so it cooks a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go in with the soy sauce mix, and I'm going to rinse the bowl and add in a little bit of water, about 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to stir fry this for about 1 minute. After that, I'll add in the cornstarch slurry and I'll stir fry this until it is thickened. And I forgot to mention earlier that please make sure you have your rice already cooking, assuming you're eating it with rice. Please make sure your rice is already cooking or already cooked before starting the sauce, as the stir fry is best enjoyed hot. So after cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes, you can add a little bit of water. If it's too thick, you can just adjust this to fit your preference. If you like your sauce on the thicker side, you can leave it like this. If you like it a bit looser, add a little bit of water until it meets your perfect consistency. And just like that, the sauce is ready. It's so tasty, super easy to make, and way better than takeout. I'm gonna serve this with plain basmati rice and enjoy. If you have any questions about this recipe, you can always leave me a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.